Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to change out the battery in this riding sky toy. Tools we need for today's project and parts: 6-volt 4 amp hour battery for Mighty Max battery, a terminal kit, a crimp, strippers, quick pick multi-driver or any driver, and a multimeter. This particular one, we'll just flip it over. Get to the battery. On these rideables, this particular one, you have the zippers here. There is your battery. Check it out. This particular one's got a strap, needs a Phillips. Go ahead and take it off. There we go. Pull the battery out. And just be careful not to pull too hard on the wires. There we go. There's our battery. Let's pop this lid off. See, they used glue to attach those terminal blocks. See, mine wasn't charging, so I'll have to do a couple checks on it. We'll have to open up this fuse box here. We'll have to do a test. Just trying to show you guys. There. See if you guys can see that. This one is, let's see, back that off. No. Hard to see. There you go. It's a 5 amp. This is a resettable fuse, so we're going to have to check to make sure that this isn't the problem. And if not, we can either do two things: change it, or we can just eliminate this altogether. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out first.
Good job.
Yes.
I found purple.
That's good.
Purple.
I got my little helper here too today.
You want to see my face, Daddy? Daddy, love you.
Love you too. She wants to ride her toy soon.
Yeah. If it does still broken, I would just cry.
Yeah, well, we got the old battery taken off.
And I found this. And I found it. I found it.
Very good. Now you can use it.
Yes.
Alright, so right now I have my meter set to DC. Check the batteries. Let's see if we can do this.
Let's see the grass. So pretty.
There you go, absolutely nothing. Completely toast. I'll pause the video, I'll just show you what the new battery voltage is. Okay, here's our new battery. Just pop that out. Mighty Max. Take those tabs off and we'll check this.
Yes, Daddy?
Yes, baby.
Love you, Dad.
I love you too.
I'm just showing something pretty for you, but don't yuck.
Okay, well, so there you go. That's 13.4 volts.
Surprise. I know it's surprise. I know
So the good way to check this is we'll check continuity through ohms.
And I didn't finish yet, my drawing.
Okay. There we go. See? There's continuity, so this is obviously reset.
And guys, that was
There you go.
something.
So we don't need to cut this out.
And I got this from Mommy, got it for me.
Yeah, he got you the Crayola. Very good. Looks good. Okay, so now that we determined that this is good, you can put it back in its case. So you know for sure that that's not the problem.
Okay, we look for it later.
Because Mommy has it very soon.
Yeah.
I want to make my drawing.
Okay, so that's done. Now we can go ahead and do these terminals.
Dad, do
Now
you
that we got that all put back together, now we can select our terminal that's going to go on the battery here.
Yeah, it's going to be so pretty, right?
So usually with these wires they're pretty small, so I would select the red one, which is 22 to 16 gauge.
Yeah. And I want to show you my name. And my name is Maxine. I'll just say, love you, Dad?
I love you too. So these are the ones we're going to use.
Yeah. We used it already, right, Dad?
Yeah, that's right. We
So
used this before on other stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now I'm going to grab my strippers.
Yeah, and this is gonna do something to my car.
Let's see.
But don't be scared, right, Dad? Right, Dad?
That's right.
We can't get scared, right?
That's right. There we go.
And
Give those a little twist.
yeah,
And Maxine will put one on.
yeah.
Okay, you slip. I'll do one. I'll show you.
Okay.
Check it out. Just slip that on like so.
Wow, that's
And then I'll
pretty.
crimp it.
Is that pretty, Dad? Well, I put it on, you clip it, okay?
There's a crimp.
When I put it on, you have.
Okay,
To
Maxine,
clip it.
you can put it on.
Okay.
You slip it on, and then Daddy will crimp it. Okay, let's see.
There.
Good
And
job,
now
Maxine.
And
Good
then
job.
now Daddy's going to clip it, and you want to see the screw? This is the screw we asked for.
It's crimped.
Yeah.
Oh, that didn't work.
And I should.
Uh-oh.
This is the screw. Do you like my nails?
Uh-oh.
Do you like my nails? Okay.
Let's see, I guess I didn't crimp it good enough. You know what?
It's so cute. It's so cute. This is so cute.
Yeah. We'll try it again. This time we'll crimp it a little harder.
And
That's good.
have a nice Sharpie point at it.
There, that's tighter.
Dad, I'm helping you.
Very good. So, the way this is set up, we had one going through
I
here.
don't know what this is. And
There's a
it is
hole
box.
here.
It is box. It is box. It is a box.
Very good.
I'm helping you, right? Good
That's right.
girl. Mwah.
There. The factory has it with
Well,
glue,
some
but
wire.
there's no way this thing's going Mach 10, so there's no way these are going to come off the terminals.
Yeah.
You could if you want. You can go to the dollar store.
Tight, and
pick
then
up-
If it stay tight,
You can
my
bend this tab
thingy
down a bit.
will work for sure. It's going to work for sure, right, Dad? And I'm just going to cry for it. And you know why this is going to be
Okay,
stunning?
hang on, Maxine.
Okay, it's for a bit. Okay, I hope you squeeze it in. And I made my tattoo already.
Okay, let's see here. This, we'll have to flick it on. We'll just do a test here.
Yeah,
Switch
if
is
we can
down
do the
here.
test, we can flip it in.
There we go. She's good. She's moving.
Mommy!
All right, so we got her fixed. We just got to put her back together, and it's a done deal. There, we got the battery pushed in, and she's a perfect fit. So
Yeah,
there you
and
go.
now I'm gonna
I'll
show
show
you
you the
what
video
guys are
after when
moved.
she's riding it. Another happy customer. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, thanks, my helper. Did a good job.
Yeah.